Welcome back to Everbee London Garden. In this video I will showcase my garden bargains and monthly saving tips for January. First, Morrison's. I purchased 3 items from Morrison's. One kitchen garden magazine which includes 10 free packets of seeds, which I will review the seeds in a separate video. At $5.99, the magazine is a little on the pricey side, although there are far more expensive garden magazines available. However, I particularly like Kitchen Garden magazine for its articles and range of free seeds. This year, I intend to purchase this monthly periodical every month during 2023. I will save any key information from the magazines in my garden journal and store the magazines in a safe place until the end of the year. I will then decide to keep the collection as a useful resource, as once you have all 12 issues, little really changes from year to year, or gift the collection to a beginner gardener, meaning I already have at least one gift sorted for Christmas 2023. I will keep the seed packets, at least those I don't have duplicates of, and those which I already have will be either saved for the next seed swap meeting or donated to local garden charities where appropriate. The second and third items purchased were these 2 cute little rabbit ceramic pots with succulents. These would make great Lunar New Year gifts, as this is the year of the rabbit, or early Easter gifts. At £3 each, I think these are ideal if you want to start your indoor plant collection at an affordable price. I found that home base had little to offer at this time of year on the bargain front, but I did come across 2 gems, heather and dianthus. Dianthus, usually priced £1.95, still looked fairly green and healthy, if a little neglected. Dianthus are usually treated as annual plants, but with a little TLC, you may be able to get at least another season of pretty pink blooms. But the bargain of the month goes to these heathers, down from £2.23 to a mere 15 pence per plant. Now you may be wondering, why on earth would I buy heather in January? These plants are easy to care for, provide year-round interest, and vitally are a great source of food for bees during the harsh and cold winter months, especially when other food sources are scarce. With a bag of 12 of these little gems, I hope to fill in some gaps in my January garden, as well as help the bee population during the remainder of winter. Don't forget to make a trip to your local garden centre every month for inspiration, tips and ideas. Please share your January garden bargains, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy gardening. Bye for now.